for tuning into my channel. My name is Regina and welcome to Naturally Corporate. Y'all, I got some new today. I went back to CVS. If you remember, if you saw my last video, I was just there a few days ago and I saw that they were having this awesome sale on their their curly hair products. You spend $20 worth and you get $10 back in CVS cash, which is called Extra Care Bucks. You use it just like cash. And I went into CVS today to look for a Visa gift card and a greeting card. So on my way back to the kiosk where the gift cards are, y'all, the hair care aisle literally called my name and I just had to go down and see what else I couldn't find because my stash is getting low. My product stash for my hair is dwindling down. I have so little left. This is perfect timing to re-up on some products. But here's what I got. It's by the DOUX and it's called Chief Rocka. I like that it says it's an extreme moisture mousse. I'm doing a flat twist out today and I love the way my hair performs when I use mousse. Also interesting, it's a moisture-rich gel to foam styler. And when I looked at it, I'm like, well, where's the gel at? So it looks like it's a gel inside the container, and then when you pump it, it comes out as a foam. All right, I hate to waste this. Oh, and it smells so good. But anyhow, we're gonna get started with this flat twist out, and I'm gonna see how I like this product. Foam, gel to foam. This is new to me, y'all. I'm excited. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and we're gonna start applying the Chief Rocka. All right, y'all, let's talk about Chief Rocka. It's by the DOUX, and it is a high-performance defining styler that claims to detangle, condition, define, and give shine all in one step. Now, the DOUX is telling us Chief Rocka can do all of those things, but we shall see. The directions on the bottle say to apply a generous amount to clean, damp hair in small sections, which is what I'll be doing on each of my flat twists. And keep a water bottle handy because my hair kept drying in sections and I'd have to spray it. But yes, your hair needs to be damp and section your hair, especially if you have some length. Otherwise, that hair might get all mixed up and tangled up and you don't want that. The DOUX also tells us to apply the product and smooth it from root to tip. And my tip to you is make sure you get those ends. The poor little ends tend to get overlooked a lot of times when we're styling. Now, y'all, I want to tell you, flat twisting is pretty easy for me, thank goodness. I don't know how I would be wearing my hair as a natural if I couldn't do flat twists because me and wash and goes, we don't quite work. So flat twisting may be easy for me, but I know it might not be so easy for some of you. I'll be sure to insert my how to flat twist video down below in the description box, just in case you're interested in watching that. If you do, hopefully it'll be helpful if you're struggling a little bit with all of this. And of course, we're trying to save ends this year. I'm not sure what's going on with my ends. I don't know if my hair is getting a little thinner. Now, I'm showing you the back of my hair because my hair is on the fine side, so I try not to ever part straight down the middle in the back. Anything I can do to ease any type of tension in that spot, I do it. I just don't want to, I don't want that to end up being like a really, really thin bald spot. Good morning, y'all. It's time for the reveal, and I will say I slept so good last night. I just put my little, it's almost like a do-rag scarf. I don't know what it's called, but I put that on and put my bonnet on top of that and slept very peacefully. Y'all, what I noticed when my hair was finished drying last night, I was expecting my twists to be, my flat twists to be a little bit more thicker and plumper, and they weren't. But that, to me, that leaves me room for my hair to swell and really get nice and full and big over the next few days. But my hair is real soft, just taking these twists out, trying to be very gentle. Taking the twists out, there's a little bit of hold, like a comfortable hold. With my hair being so fine, I can't risk using hard gels unless I'm just doing something, like brushing my edges back. But otherwise, so far, I'm pleased. I have a knot, and I'm not very happy with it. I don't know if it's just it's not a knot, psych. Y'all, so far so good. I have the twists in the back to take down, but yes, it's coming together, and I love it. What I'm doing now is just using the pads of my fingers to rub out some of the parts if they may be showing, and I do that especially in the back. Y'all, that's where my hair is the finest and the thinnest. And that just gets those parts out, makes them look a little better, camouflages them more. And listen, if you have fine hair like I do have fine hair. You can't really tell all the time depending on how I style, but anyway, if you have fine C3C hair, kind of like I do, if your hair is similar to mine basically, and you just want that volume and the fluffiness, y'all, twist outs are the way to go. I have several textures in my hair, or several patterns, or whatever you want to call it. The crown's different, the nape is different, sides are different, and this is how I can get a uniform look. My hair would never do a wash and go, although I am so tempted to try Chief Rocka. I don't know, I'll just gonna play around with it, because when I was applying it to my hair, I noticed my hair doing something in a good way. So I just might try it on a twist out. I'm gonna put on my earrings and give some final thoughts. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Hey y'all, all right, here is my finished look, and I'm loving my hair. I have so much shine and a ton of body. I hope I don't act a fool on Valentine's Day, because when your hair has body, sometimes you just need to move it. But I'm teasing. But yeah, so this is my hair after using the DOUX, my first impressions of Chief Rocka. And let me remind you, this is a moisture-rich gel to foam styler. Now, it also claims that it is an extreme moisture mousse. My only con I think I have at this point, so early, with me just not even having it in for 24 hours yet, but my hair has had more moisture or equal the moisture using other mousses. So at this point, I can't say that it's extremely moisturizing. The DOUX tells you for this product, just like many of their others in their lines, if not all of the others, but for maximum hold, do not apply an oil. So to me, that's an indicator to me that they put everything in the product, all the formulations, to make sure your hair is moisturized. And that's fine with me. I love a one and done. This also did not say to add any other product with it, like a companion product from the DOUX. And that's also fine with me, because for years, when I would use products and they didn't say use it with the leave-in or use it with some kind of cream, I didn't do it. The instructions are there for the users to know how to use the product. If it doesn't tell me to use anything else with it, I won't. And yeah, I didn't do that. All I put on my hair was Chief Rocka. I mean, it's pretty awesome, y'all. Let me turn around and give it 360. Put this down. And again, if you're trying to grow your hair, I think the twist outs are great if you are trying to just have a low maintenance, somewhat of a protective style. For me, it's a protective style because I don't do anything to it when I do twist outs. And some people may have different opinions, but for me, very low maintenance as long as I keep my hands out of my hair. So y'all, my first impressions again for Chief Rocka. I think it's great. My twist out is fantastic. Now I know that also has a lot to do with my technique, you know, just the way I do my hair, and twist outs are so easy and versatile. I'll see how this works over the next few days and how my hair continues to look. If I still have that shine and that awesomeness, then maybe I'll come back and just give you an update in another video about how Chief Rocka works. But try it. If you love using just one product, this is a one and done. You don't have to add anything else to it. And yeah, you'll get that shine. Also, one more thing. This says that you shouldn't get flakes. And as I'm talking to you right now, I see some itty bitty tiny flakes flying by. Now that could be my fault because I went ham on this area of my hair. This section, I have trouble getting any type of definition, and this is my crown area, so the hair here is a lot drier. It's just different. So I always go heavier with whatever product or products I'm using to make sure that it looks like the other hair. But I do see a few flakes. I've been doing all like this and I see nothing. But when I'm up here in the front where I use so much product in this section, I do see a few little flakes. So verdict is out on that. I'll see what happens in the next few days. Y'all, try Chief Rocka. I'm not mad at it whatsoever. I got mine at CVS and I'm glad I saw it. I'm glad I saw it. So if you have used this product, let me know your thoughts. And yeah, thank you for tuning in, y'all. You know I appreciate you so much. And until next time, keep it naturally corporate.